Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, heads-up display, ventilated seats. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection, we have great people, we value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.